Hey y'all, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my entire unpacking routine. So I'm going to share with you everything that I do on a day when we get home, typically home in the evening, and how I make our lives easier. Now for me, I am the kind of person where if I do not unpack pretty much as soon as we get through the door, it's not going to happen. And the suitcases are going to live in our tiny little entrance area of our living room for weeks, and I'm just going to get annoyed every single time I walk in this room. So we are going to pull out all of our clothing because I'm also that person who washes anything that we take with us, no matter where we travel to. We're going to get these suitcases unpacked, get all the clothing into the hampers, and get laundry going pretty quickly so we can try to get all of this washed. Now, my goal tonight is not to put away all the clean clothes, but at least get as many of them washed and put in like my laundry basket folded as possible so that tomorrow I can really spend the time putting them away. But getting this out of the way quickly just mentally makes me feel so much better. Not having these suitcases hanging around, not having a bunch of laundry hanging around, waiting to be washed. Now, laundry is pretty passive when you're just throwing it in the washer dryer, so I like to get that done as quickly as possible. Now, for many of these items, we are also just putting them around their place. So there's items I'm taking to my room or the kids' room, and I'm just putting them in there. We're not putting them away. We're just getting them to their designated hubs so they can be put away later, but it just still makes me feel so much better, even if things aren't perfectly in their place, but just to get them out of this main living space, especially as you can see, we're currently under construction here. So my husband is doing something I asked him to do. He's taking down all our board and batten, and we're putting up wainscoting, which I'm really excited for. I love board and batten, but the way we originally installed it was very thick, and even though it looked pretty, it trapped so much dust. Like, y'all, I would have had to dust every single day to keep this board and batten not dusty, and that's just not feasible. With the wainscoting that we're currently doing, it's not going to be as dusty. Like, yes, there's still going to be some trim pieces and stuff that will settle dust on, but not as bad as this board and batten. So why this room is a mess, I want to really get this stuff done and get this luggage out into the garage so that I'm not adding to the mess since we're already living in a kind of a construction zone.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a...
Now for our weekend away, we actually were at my parents'. He spent the week at their house. So I have some school stuff to put away for him. We are doing at-home summer school. My mom continued that while he was at his house. So that was really exciting that he did get to do some of his reading and his writing practice and have someone else helping him through it besides me and my husband. It was a nice little break for us for the week. Now, moving into the kitchen, I am putting away all our snacks as well as some treats that my mom sent us home with. She always sends us home with extra food and snacks, things the kids like, anything that they opened that, they're not going to eat at their house, they send home with us. So I'm going to get that put away in the pantry as well as any snacks that I brought for the car. One of my non-negotiables, though, you can kind of see the side of the bag there. If you eat Chili's, you know the bags if you get to-go orders. One of my non-negotiables for days like this where we get home late in the evening, we got home about 4:35. I think it was around 5:30ish actually. We just order in dinner because it's so much easier than trying to worry about cooking when you're already tired and trying to unpack and then cleaning up the pots and pans and the dishes. So we ordered Chili's to go. My husband picked it up real quick for us, so we enjoyed that prior to me getting all this stuff put away. That is a non-negotiable for me anytime we're traveling home, just to order in dinner. Whenever we can afford it, that's what we're going to do just to make life a little easier.
Be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it.
one thing I did do prior to us leaving for the weekend to my parents was I did run the dishwasher. So we're going to unload that real quick, and there's a few items that we have in the sink that didn't make it into the dishwasher, or there's cups and things that we did use by having dinner tonight that we're going to pop in there real quick. That way I don't have to deal with the mess in the morning.
Yeah, you switch things up, now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with that and me till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. Should've known. Be with anime till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide.
Now this is a step I wish I would have done prior to us leaving, but I'm restocking the fridge with all of our drinks. I really wish I would have done this sooner because I was craving a Pepsi and all of them were warm. So getting drinks put back in this fridge, making sure they're all ready for the week since we are kind of under construction. My husband's spending a lot of time going in and out of the house with making different cuts to do the wainscoting. So I'm wanting to make sure we have Gatorades and waters in here so that he is all set as he's trying to do all of this construction stuff in over 100-degree heat. Now I'm also preparing for tomorrow, for Monday, our homeschooling. So I'm going through all of Jackson's stuff, making sure I have everything labeled out for us with these little sticky notes to make sure that tomorrow is a really easy day for us with just getting schooling done. You know, none of us want to do this after a weekend away, but we need to make sure we do it. So I'm having it prepped now is to make my life so much easier. That is it for this unpacking video. Thank y'all so much for taking the time to hang out with me and see my unpacking routine. My goal always when we get home is just to unpack and do as much as I can so that waking up the next day is much easier. If you like this content or you like cleaning content, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.